Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by validating prerequisites so you avoid damage. Confirm the 12V supply rating, correct polarity, and fuse location. Use a multimeter to record baseline voltage and check for shorts. This establishes a reference for later anomalies. Once done, label positive and negative conductors and park high-draw loads offline. Make sure to have a clamp meter and a data logger ready. These let you capture transient spikes and steady current draw without guessing. You now mount sensors. Attach the voltage probe at the battery or regulator output and clip the current sensor around the main positive feed. Tighten connections and secure grounds to prevent intermittent readings. Next, configure the logger. Choose a sample rate of 1 to 10 Hz for general monitoring or increase it to capture brief spikes. Calibrate sensors against your multimeter so readings match. Finally, set thresholds and enable alerting to know immediately when values cross safe boundaries. You finish by validating performance. Apply light, medium, and heavy loads while the logger records for several minutes so you can spot sag, spikes, or oscillation. Analyze the graphs and look for patterns tied to specific components. This tells you whether a device draws excess current or a cable has high resistance. If something looks wrong, first power down, then recheck wiring, fuse condition, and ground integrity. A common fix is repositioning the sensor or replacing a loose connector. Start there before swapping major parts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.